Yeah, can y'all hear that? That is the sound of a rainy day. Yep. Waiting on springtime to get here so I can do some tilling in the garden. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can add there's some manure, about 10 bags of manure out there, and try to pep up the soil and get her done. Yep. Here it is in December, getting close to the new year. What is the day? December what? Huh? December 29th. Got a garden tiller down there I'm gonna take apart. Yeah. Got to rake them leaves and use that for mulch. Them leaves, let it pile up. Crunch it all up real good with some other stuff and add it to the garden. I see that blanket out there fell. Yep. It's the rain. Look at that chunk of ice in that bucket. Excuse me. There's a good chunk of ice. It's even got a hole in the center with water in it. You know that bucket. Yeah, that's ice. Yeah, that's ice. Piece of ice out of a bucket. Oh, the neighbors got their spotlights on. Well, I don't think there's any more radishes. Gotta fix that blanket back up here. That's what's going on in the neighborhood. Guys, alright. Yep, just a quick little video. Thanks for watching.